Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if transaction support within the specified resource manager is not started or was shut down. And whenever you're trying to attempt this action or create a scheduled task, you're coming across this error. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'd recommend doing would be to open up File Explorer and then select the View tab up at the top here and make sure Hidden Files is checkmarked. And once you've done that, go ahead and click inside the address bar up here at the top, like after whatever the location is you're at, and just delete it and then paste in a file path I'm going to have in the description of the video here. And once it takes you to this folder, make sure there's nothing in here. If there is, you want to just highlight over and delete whatever is in this folder. And then once you're done with that, you can close out of here. Open back up the start menu, or open up the start menu for the first time in this video, and type in CMD. Best result should say command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now I'm going to have a command in the description of the video. I want you guys to copy that. And take note that I have at the end of the command, it's going to say C:\\. Change the C to a different drive letter if Windows is installed on a different drive. So it might be the D or E or F drive in your case. But for most of you guys, it should be the C drive. So that's what we're going to have in the description of the video. And that's what I'm going to paste into here. So copy it from my description. Go up to the top bar of the command prompt window. Right click on it. Select edit and then paste it in. Hit enter. It should say the operation completed successfully. At this point, you can close out of here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.